Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to read a string from the user and display it in reverse order. That means we are going to display one character per line. The constraint, we should not create a reverse string. Another string should not be created. The existing string need to be displayed it in reverse order. For this, we are going to write the Python program. I'm having a variable string1 equal to input of enter a string. Input statement display the string, enter a string in the user's console. When user enter the string is obtained and stored in the variable string1. Next, I am going to find the length of the string. I'm having a variable length equal to len is the built-in function. I am passing the variable string1. When I pass the variable string1 inside the len function, it will count the number of characters in the string and return an integer that will get stored in the variable length. Now I am going to write the for loop for I in range. The initial value is a length minus 1. That means in the index position starts from 0. The last character of the string always stored in the index position length minus 1, that is a starting value, and the ending value is minus 1. So always the range function will generate a list from starting value and up to the previous of the last value. If I give a minus 1, that will generate a string up to 0. The first character of the string always stored in the index position 0. Here I am giving step value is minus 1. Now a list will be get generated from length minus 1 up to 0 in the decreasing order. The for is a keyword of the for loop. I is the loop variable. The range function will generate a list from the starting value of length minus 1 up to 0 in the decreasing order. The value of I, the variable I will take the value one by one in the list in the each iteration. In operator has this purpose. Now I am printing print string1 of I. So the initial value of string1 of length minus 1, that prints the last character, and minus 1, that means the value will be get decremented, that print the last but one character, and finally it will print up to the zeroth value. Zero is the index position of the first character. This is the program. Now we will execute and check the result. Enter string I am giving Python. See, the string get printed in the reverse order. So the program is working perfectly. It will print any string in the reverse order. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.